In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain the right way in Squarespace. This process should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in and get your website set up properly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace login page. Here you'll see a prompt to log into your account. Simply click on the login button. This initial step is crucial because accessing your account is the gateway to making any changes to your website. Now once you've clicked login, you'll see different options to continue. I suggest clicking on continue with Google for a seamless sign-in experience. It's a fast and secure method if your Squarespace account is linked to a Google account. This step helps streamline the login process, making it quicker and easier for you to access your Squarespace dashboard. After signing in, you'll be greeted with a list of your websites. Click on the one you wish to work with. Selecting the correct website is imperative, so double check to ensure you're working on the appropriate one. This will take you to the main control panel for that particular site. In the control panel, you'll want to head to Settings. This is where all the key configurations for your site are located. You can find settings by looking at the left-hand sidebar. Click on the Settings option to proceed into a more detailed list of configuration possibilities for your site. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for and click on Domains and Email. This section is where you'll manage all domain related settings. Clicking on it will open up options specifically related to domain management, something that's essential for individuals and businesses setting up their online presence. Within Domains and Email, you'll see an option labeled Domains. Click on this to view all the domain options. Getting to this point is key as it sets the stage for connecting or managing existing domains. Next, you'll see the option Use a domain I own. Click on that. This is where you can start the process of connecting an existing domain you might have purchased elsewhere with your Squarespace site. It is a straightforward option that simplifies bringing external domains into your Squarespace environment. When prompted, type in your domain name. It's important to be precise here. Entering your domain accurately ensures that Squarespace knows exactly which domain to associate with your website. After entering your domain, you'll see the option to transfer domain. Click on this. This step is vital if you're looking to transfer your domain registration to Squarespace. It initiates the process of shifting domain control to your Squarespace account. Now you must type in your domain's authorization code. You typically get this code from your current domain provider. Inputting the correct authorization code is crucial as it verifies that you're authorized to make changes to this domain. Lastly, click on Save and Continue. This will confirm all the changes and start the migration or linkage process of your domain to Squarespace. Remember, saving is essential to ensure all the configurations are properly stored and executed. And there you have it, your domain should now be connected to your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you've ensured a smoother path for your web presence, aligning everything efficiently with Squarespace's platform. Thanks for watching and have a great day connecting and building your site.